Hey, so we're just about to head out to dinner.
Yay.
Well, stop by a bar first, probably Loose Cannon. Yeah. And then we'll go to dinner. We're in Test Kitchen tonight.
We are.
Menu A. It's also We Fancy later. So I think this is like as formal as a formal night gets. And
Yeah,
I think basically you just wear something a little bit nice. That's about it.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
we've tried our best. We're not
tried our
particularly
best,
formal
no.
people.
We're really
but-
not. So I'm still wearing shorts and trainers.
Yeah.
But
I don't think it'll be a massively heavy night either tonight because
No.
we've got hopefully the beaches tomorrow if the weather's good.
and it's Scarlet Night tomorrow as well. So we don't want to
Exactly.
be hungover for beach day and then not feel great for Scarlet Night either. So yeah,
Nice and fresh for
Yes.
tomorrow. So, but we can still have a good night, can't we?
for sure.
Yay.
Let's
So,
go.
Let's see what we see.
Bye.
Bye. So, it's test kitchen time, right?
Menu
Let's
A.
do this. Menu A, yes. Yes.
Hello.
So what you have in front of you, this is called mushroom. It's the first course of the whole set menu that consists of 4 different kinds of mushrooms.
Wow.
Mushroom's good. Empty plates. Empty plates. Good?
Smiley faces. Yes.
Yeah. That was banging. Ta-da! Look at that. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Oh, the smell is immense, isn't it? What did you think, Gorge?
Yeah, really nice. Thank you. Really, really
Good.
nice.
Me too. It's really good. I mean, I'm not a fan of peas. Not particularly a fan of egg, but I do like the yolk. And I'm not a massive fan of caviar either. But as a collective, it was really, really beautiful. So even if you don't like some of the ingredients, just try it. What's the worst that's going to happen? But so far, it's really good.
I'm loving it.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Give it a go. It's the cinnamon, I think.
What are you playing? Yeah, whatever.
Yeah?
If I could inject that into my veins and survive, I would. That's so nice.
Enjoy, my darling.
Oh, have a sip of that.
Oh, well.
That's the nicest old-fashioned I've ever had.
Oh, it smells
Right.
nice.
Oh, there you are. Isn't that amazing?
That's beautiful. So smooth.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I'm not having a red wine. I'm having another one of those.
Yeah, so I'm going to have one of those next. Look at that.
Bitter, sweet, sour, together the crack.
Oh, wow.
So you must make sure
Oh, is that the chocolate?
yes,
Yeah.
Beautiful.
so that you can collect the
bitterness and
Enjoy, yeah?
also sweet.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay,
Beautiful.
this is the most serious part now we are getting.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. That was amazing. I am so full already, and we've got 2 more courses to go. So, big tip: do not eat just before you come. I mean, we had something to eat a few hours ago, so we haven't been too bad. But yeah, just avoid having any snacks in the afternoon because it is a big meal. But absolutely stunning. The fillet was beautiful, stunning. Empty plates. What did you think, darling?
Well, I actually said I think that was the best fillet I've ever had. Like the flavour combination. I loved it with the bitter chocolate. The dark chocolate. It was fantastic. Loved it. Loved it.
Up next, blue cheese.
So we've just had the blue cheese course. I have finished the plate. And I was just saying, I still can't tell if I liked it or didn't, like, I ate it, but I'm really unsure if it was nice.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
It's the final dessert. Look at that. They've even put our names on. That was amazing, but I'm so full. Literally gonna need rolling back to the cabin. I'm to the brim. I couldn't even finish dessert, and dessert was exceptional. Really, really, really nice. Fantastic dessert. But yeah, we shouldn't have snacked earlier.
Oh, it smells good.
We got a cheeky little bonus, didn't we?
I know, bonus desserts.
course.
3 desserts.
Yeah.
Orange as like an additional palate cleanser.
Empty orange.
Absolutely fantastic. Delicious.
Huh?
Wow, that was a wow moment for me. That's amazing. Yeah.
Did you
We
prefer
thought the
it to
presentation could do with something.
Bit finesse.
Yeah, it just didn't have the same like visual impact.
So we're just walking off a huge dinner at the test kitchen, which again was amazing. And yeah, just checking out this beautiful sunset. Check it out. So Ben has just committed to getting a tattoo at sea. We'll see that soon. Now it's time for the hostess to reveal her secrets. To end the night, we decided to check out the wee fancy party over in the Manor house. Now for us, it was a bit of a miss, but still worth checking out regardless. And we ended the night with a midnight snack at the pizza place. We hope you've enjoyed watching our video. Don't forget to check out our other videos, and if you'd like to be reminded when we release more content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.